What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Do you guys want to do your own virtual tours but don't know what camera to use? Well, let's check out the Ricoh Theta V. Let's do this. Being a real estate agent, my wife has a listing coming up and she wants to do a virtual tour of the property. With coronavirus going around, this will help people see their homes from the comfort of their house. I want to enhance her listings by doing a virtual tour. And after my research, this seems to be the easiest to use 360 camera. Now, the way a 360 camera works has 280 degree views. This will allow to capture basically everything in a 360 degree angle, which allows you to do the virtual tours. This isn't the only application for a 360 camera. There are many applications like virtual parks, virtual museums, whatever you want, you can make it. If anybody wants to buy or list a house in Georgia, I will leave my wife's information in the description below. Now let's get to the unboxing. Just how I like it, no tape. So you have a tab over here, open this up, and it just opens right up. Here we have their Facebook and Instagram information. We have their branding over here. We have a little information on how to turn it on, the camera, a user manual, a carrying pouch, that's a nice touch, and the charging micro USB. Let's open the manual up. Apparently we have two sets of documentations in here. So the user manual and the warnings, both in a multitude of languages. Alright, let's get to it. Open this up. So here we have the camera in all of its glory. There's the two 180 degree cameras with the microphone cutouts here and here. Here we have the capture button. On the side we have the power, Wi-Fi, and the different modes, whether you want to do still or you want to do videos. On the bottom we have the microphone and the screw-in for the tripod or monopod and the micro USB charging port. Alright, let's turn this on. Press it once and it kicks on. Looks like it doesn't have enough juice. There's a little indicator going on here and it says that the camera is on. I think we can cycle through each of the modes, whether you want to take a still or a video. We have the modes here, and let's take a picture. We're doing a little test of the Theta V. This audio test, hopefully it sounds pretty good. The picture, video, and audio quality of the Ricoh Theta V is very good. The sound seemed very clear and the picture looks really nice. Now I know here it looks like a 2D picture, but that's only because you need a 3D viewer in order to see the video and picture in all of its glory. To set up the camera, first you have to download the Ricoh Theta app. Afterwards, make sure that the camera is turned on and that the Wi-Fi light is blinking. After that, you go into your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the camera. You will find the passcode for it at the bottom of the camera, starting with 00, and you have the remainder of the serial, and that should log you into the camera. Afterwards, we'll open the app and click on the little theta here, and it will give you unregistered camera, and you just set it up by clicking on it, and should connect immediately. If that doesn't work, you just restart the app and it will connect. Make sure that the firmware is updated. So you just go into settings and then you just click on update firmware, and it's that simple. So far I think this camera is amazing. It takes beautiful 4K images. You can set up VR or any kind of virtual tours you like. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video is dropped. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything you want me to do in the future, drop it in the comment box below. If you notice something different, smash that like. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.